Hello and welcome back to Fan Screens. For today's video, we will be going to talk about the 12 secret compartments in vehicles that will save space. Let's get started. Black sheep storage space in the Jeep Gladiator. Here is an intriguing modification for the Jeep Gladiator's tailgate, which now functions as integrated storage for a variety of items. There are 3 compartments, 2 of which are waterproof and dustproof, and measure 15 by 5 by 3 inches and 12 by 9 by 3 inches, respectively. After installing the parts, the tailgate retains complete functionality and doesn't lose its lifting capacity. The conversion kit weighs a total of roughly 26 pounds and cost $1,362. It is securely locked with 4 latches and is composed of aluminum and stainless steel. ARMA 15. The manufacturer guarantees that the ARMA 15 kit will also work for Chevy, GMC, and other vehicle brands. The kit includes everything you need for installation, can be used in both cars and trucks, and can even be mounted on the wall if necessary. It costs about $130. TYGER Under-Seat Cargo Box. With this universal compartment, you can utilize the space under the seat more comfortably. It weighs around 18 pounds, measures 54 by 15 inches, and can be fitted in just a few minutes without drilling. One of the few limitations is that it's only compatible with a small range of cars, including some versions of the Chevrolet Silverado. The cost is around $190. This is enough to store even items like shovels and garden hoses, in addition to a built-in grid and removable partitions. Locker down console safes. The designers of this safe suggest placing it there because many cars have a lot of open space between the front seats. They're willing to create a customized version for any car and note that installation takes about 10 minutes. The safe base is made of cold rolled sheet steel and its components and drill resistant. If you want to order it, you'll need to specify the car brand, model, and year. Prices start at $300. There are several lock options available, including an electronic lock. The safe is designed that after installation, it doesn't interfere with the nearby features of the car that are used frequently, like the USB ports. Chevy Silverado Security in Airbag. By modifying it a little, you may even update your airbag system. For instance, a suitable actuator will cost you about $40. You'll also need metal rails and basic electronic knowledge, and tuning your automobile in this way is actually rather risky. Hitch Vault. The device's main component is aluminum, and it is waterproof and equipped with RFID signal blocking. Its measurements are 2 by 2 by 7 inches, and installation is really quick and easy. It starts at $93 and is ideal for holding a spare pair of keys, some cash, and various tiny goods. Tuffy Tailgate Lockbox. Owners of the 2018-2022 Wrangler JL models are in luck. They can get this box, which doubles as a little table for outdoor cooking and picnics, in addition to letting you carry more luggage. You'll have to pay over $370 for this model. A molar version is also offered for $340. The box measures 3 by 34 by 15 inches and can hold up to 40 pounds. There are 2 removable trays to store small stuff, and the cargo will stay in place even on off-road adventures. Chevrolet Secret Compartment. A very cool feature that can be found on many Chevrolet models, according to the creator, is the ability to set up a special access code for the glove compartment. The Cadillac Escalade has a similar feature. Behind the built-in touch screen is a fully functional glove compartment with a USB port where you can safely leave your device charging without being seen by potential thieves. Nissan Titan Truck Bed Storage. Due to the modernization, the owner receives 2 adaptable side sections that can be used even as ice refrigerators, as there are holes for water drainage if necessary. This storage system was designed for the Nissan Titan and expands the car's capabilities. It will be of interest to builders, campers, car mechanics, and anyone else individuals who wants to make their vehicle even more functional. They can even be removed above them. The utilitarian system makes it easier to secure cargo with belts, which is helpful when transporting motorcycles and quads. It also includes a power outlet, lighting, and a folding hardtop. The set's individual parts can be purchased separately. For instance, these side sections, which cost between $41 and $140. There are also additional components available, allowing you to construct anything you like as if it were a Lego set. Jeep Wrangler Locking Storage Vault. For $90, the buyer receives a 24x10x4 and a half-inch box that can be installed without drilling or other difficult steps. The box is key-locked, and a standard protective mat adds extra stealth. The built-in handles add flexibility. If the box is no longer required in the car, it might be quite useful in the garage or at home. It's also portable. Nighthawk Custom Dual 1911 gun. Safe in a Corvette ZR1. It can be opened with a key fob, code, fingerprint, or mobile app, and it can fold 2 Nighthawk System 1911 pistols and additional magazines. The built-in backlight adds extra style to the overall look. Even owners of cars like the Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 sometimes upgrade their cars in an unusual way. FoxxVault. The designers tested 23 prototypes and actively used virtual simulations to arrive at the final design, which is 12 inches wide and 6 inches high. The vault is opened manually by entering a code or automatically through a smartphone app. There are several smart options available, such as one-time codes to access the vault, a system that tells you whether or not there is a spare key in the safe, and a small key fob for quickly finding a lost key, or any other item are included. The cost starts at $139. Which of the inventions amazes you the most? Is this video helpful to you? Please let me know by leaving a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, please press the like button, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for stopping by to watch. See you in our next video.